Thinking about starting digital drawing but feeling completely lost with the hundreds of drawing tablets you see online? Trust me, you are not alone. Choosing the right drawing tablet can feel incredibly overwhelming, especially when you're just at the beginning of your creative journey. In this guide, you'll learn exactly how to pick the perfect drawing tablet for 2026, one that fits your personal needs, your budget, and your unique workflow. Welcome to Pixlab, where creativity meets smart digital tools. Let's dive in. We'll begin with the most affordable and accessible option out there: screenless drawing tablets. You've probably seen these. They are the ones that connect to your computer or laptop, and you draw on the tablet's surface while looking up at your monitor. The biggest advantage here is the price. They are super budget-friendly, incredibly lightweight, and absolutely perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of digital art without having to spend a ton of money. Plus, they're not just for drawing. These tablets are also fantastic for photo editing, graphic design, and even getting started with 3D modeling. The only real challenge is that it takes a little bit of time to get used to the hand coordination of drawing in one place while looking at another. But once you get the hang of it, which usually only takes a few days of practice, you'll be good to go. For starting your journey, they offer incredible value for your money. Now, let's move on to the category that gets most artists really excited: pen display tablets. These are a game changer because they have a built-in screen. This means you can draw directly where your pen touches the surface, giving you that immediate, intuitive feeling, almost like drawing on a piece of paper. The experience is just so natural. These tablets come in a wide range of options, from mid-priced devices that are great for hobbyists to high-end professional displays with incredibly accurate colors, super high resolution, and buttery smooth performance. One thing to remember, though, is that even the best, most expensive pen display still relies on the processing power of your computer. So, a powerful PC or Mac is a must for a smooth experience. Who are these for? They're ideal for dedicated home studio artists, traditional artists who are making the switch to a digital medium, beginners who want a faster learning curve, and of course the professionals who need those big, beautiful screens for detailed work. Alright, let's talk about the most flexible and exciting option of them all: portable drawing tablets. These are complete all-in-one devices, so you don't need a computer at all. Everything you need is right there in your hands. This means you can draw absolutely anywhere cozy on your couch, at your favorite cafe, or even while you're traveling the world. The freedom is incredible. Modern portable tablets are seriously powerful, more than capable of handling professional illustration, complex graphic design, and even tasks like video editing. And here's the best part: you don't always need the most expensive, top-of-the-line model. Even the mid-range options available today deliver absolutely amazing performance that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The smaller screens and mobile software might feel a bit limiting for some artists who are used to a massive desktop setup. But when it comes to pure portability and creative freedom, nothing else even comes close. So, to wrap it all up and make it super simple, here's your guide. Screenless tablets are perfect for beginners who are on a tight budget or just want to test the waters. Pen display tablets are the ideal choice for serious learning, dedicated home studio work, and professional projects. And portable tablets are the ultimate tool for artists who want the freedom to create anytime, anywhere. In the end, remember that the best drawing tablet for you isn't necessarily the most expensive one. It's the one that fits your creativity, your workflow, and your life. So choose wisely, start creating today, and most importantly, keep pushing your art forward. Thanks for watching Pixlab. We'll see you in the next video.